Greetings! Welcome to Sapiens OS and to the Sapiens movement. Let's be honest, the world you're living in, your mind, your body, weren't built for it. For millions of years, humans evolved with a very specific hardware: our body, our brain, and our biology. We were built for a slow, stable, natural world. But in just the last 150 years, and even more so in the last decade, technology, urbanization, and social media have completely changed how we live, how we connect, how we think, and how we feel. Our ancient hardware is now trying to survive in a modern, overstimulated environment. And our software, the beliefs, habits, and the mental frameworks we inherit, hasn't been updated either. This mismatch is one of the major reasons we see the global explosion of mental health challenges today. Today, 1 in 3 women and 1 in 5 men will experience major depression during their lifetime. Hundreds of millions more struggle with anxiety, burnout, emotional exhaustion, and chronic stress. Mental health is not a luxury. It's the foundation of how we live, love, work, and grow. Mental illnesses are treatable. Self-regulation is learnable, and resilience is trainable. That's why I created Sapiens OS and why I founded Sapiens. Because there is a moment, a profound moment, when the knowledge clicks. The O in Sapiens stands for that realization. When you see that it's actually not that hard to reclaim your energy, your mental clarity, and your emotional balance. As long as you have the right system built on science, not trends. Sapiens OS is based on over 700 hours of scientific analysis, blending the latest research in neuroscience, neurobiology, psychology, and preventative health. It is fully aligned with the most recent World Health Organization mental health guidelines, published in March 2025, to make sure you're receiving the highest quality, evidence-based knowledge available today. This is purely behavioral system. No supplements, no pharmaceuticals, no hacks. Just proven protocols, grounded in how your biology actually works, to help you build sustainable mental health from the inside out. Science now shows that first people who will live to 150 years are already born, but health span, the quality of those years, matters even more. Sapiens OS was designed to help you expand both your lifespan and your health span, using nothing but your own biology, behavior, and awareness. At the heart of Sapiens are the 10 pillars of mental health: sleep, nutrition, movement, stress management, social connections, light and darkness, sense of agency, meaning and purpose, rest, and finally, curiosity. Each pillar is based on hard science. Each one is taught in a bite-sized, practical, and actionable way. The journey unfolds across 3 stages. Stage 1. Sapiens OS 101. Foundations for Mental Health Energy, where you reboot your core biological systems: sleep, nutrition, and movement. Stage 2. Sapiens OS Core, self-regulation and resilience, where you master your emotional responses, social rhythms, light hygiene, and the sense of agency. And stage 3, Sapiens OS Deep, identity, rest, and meaning, where you rebuild purpose, integrate recovery rhythms, and reignite your curiosity and lifelong adaptability. Through this journey, you will understand your brain, your emotions, and your biology. Build a system for energy, focus, and emotional resilience. Protect and extend your lifespan and health span. Reclaim your true agency over your mental and physical future. Build coherence between who you are and how you live. You don't need magic. You don't need shortcuts. You need the truth, the map, the system that evolution, science, and self-knowledge have been waiting to offer you. This is not just a course. It's your new operating system for life. Welcome to Sapiens OS. Welcome to O Sapiens. Your next chapter begins now. Mental health to all.